to make bofrot or puff puff dried bofrot, first you need some flour. The ratio and the type of flour and all other ingredients will be in the description. So you want to read the description for everything you will need to make this, okay? After sifting the flour, I'm going to add in some sugar. In this video, I'm using brown sugar. You can use white sugar if you prefer that. I added in some grated nutmeg. If you have the powdered one, you can use it as well. I also added some yeast. Yes, you can use the nutmeg you have. I'm mixing this until everything is well combined. Then I'm going to create a well and go in with my wet ingredient. This is some melted margarine. You can use butter if you have that, some evaporated milk, and also I'm going to add a little bit of pineapple flavor and also some water. Yes, I'm mixing this and then I'm going ahead to use this mixer to do the rest of the job. Okay, if you do not have this, you can use your hand, and then after that you knead it. Okay, you knead for about 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, and after you knead, you want to get a very smooth and soft consistency, just like this. And now that you've done this, you want to put this into the bowl and you cover it for an hour. Okay, you want to cover this for an hour, and after few hours, after 1 hour, it's all done, and you are going ahead to just take out the excess air. Put some flour on your work surface so your dough do not get stuck onto your work surface. Just make sure you spread it evenly so that you do not have your dough stuck on certain parts of the work surface. Now that you've done this, just drop your dough on it and cut the dough into the shapes and sizes you will be comfortable to work with. Okay, yes, you can just cut it to any way you want to work with. Yeah, thank you so much for clicking on this video. If today is your first time, you are welcome, and also if you are a returning subscriber, you are once again welcome to my channel. Do not forget to like, share your thoughts in the comments, and if you find this video helpful, make sure to share it to your friends and loved ones. Okay, and subscribe as well. Do well to subscribe if you haven't done that. All you want to do now is to mold it. Okay, so you want to mold it just as you see, like this, and cut the excess from the bottom, and then you flatten it a little. Okay, just like this, and you set it aside while you continue to work on the other or the remaining dough. Yes, just like this, set it aside and do the same for the rest of the dough until you exhaust everything. Okay, all the measurements, okay, and the ingredients will be in the description, so don't worry, read the description for all the details you need to make this. Okay, make sure to read the description. It's very important to do that. Yeah, so this is okay. Now that we've achieved this, all we are going to do is cover this for about 30 to 45 minutes. Okay, 30 to 45 minutes, and this is what we have. Now let's heat some oil and go in with a dough like this. Make sure your oil is hot before you do that, and it should be on medium to high so that your buffalo to take time to cook. If you put it on high, it's going to cook so fast from the outside, or on the outside to brown so fast that you'll be scared, okay, to get burnt. I wouldn't take the time to cook very well. So lower your fire to medium to high, and then keep turning it until you achieve a very golden brown color, just like this. By then it will be done, and then the inside will just be perfect. Okay, set this aside. You can eat it while it's hot, but if not, allow it to cool, and this is the outcome after everything is cool. Okay, and thank you so much for watching. If you find this video helpful, subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.